Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to automatically highlight column and rows in Excel. I will show you 3 different methods so you can choose that work best for you. Let's get started. Open the worksheet. Right click the sheet name and choose View Code from the context menu. In the Open VBA Sheet Module Editor, paste the following code. Then close the VBA editor window to return to the worksheet. Now when you select a cell, the entire row and column of that cell are automatically highlighted. Let's move to the next method by using Q tools for Excel. This method is going to be fastest and easiest. You can highlight column and row with just one click. First, you need to download and install the Q tools. Go to the Q tools tab and click on the grid focus. That's it, one click and it works like magic. Q tools will automatically highlight the row and column wherever your cursor is. Now let's move to the third method by using conditional formatting, which works without any code or add-ins. Select the entire worksheet by clicking the triangle at the top left corner or press Ctrl and A. Go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting and select New Rule. Choose the option Use a formula to determine which cells to format. And write this formula. Click Format. Go to the Fill tab and choose a color you like. Hit OK and you are done. Now whenever you click on a cell, Excel will highlight its row and column. Okay, this method may not update automatically unless you press F9 to refresh or make a small move like pressing arrow keys. So it's a bit limited but still useful for basic highlighting. I hope this video was helpful for you, especially if you are a beginner. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more Excel tips and tricks.